So let's start. What is the difference between B cell and T cell? Directly, we'll start with that only. Difference between B cell and T cell. B cell has antibody on its surface. What is this? Antibody on its surface. But T cell don't have the antibody on its surface. The primary feature of B cell lymphocyte has antibody in its surface. That is the primary feature of B lymphocyte. Okay. And T cell don't have antibody in it. It is like an antibody, but it is not. Okay. It is like receptor. It's called T cell receptor. Okay. This is called T cell receptor. How are we gonna write it? T cell receptor. TCR. Directly will not go for TCR. You see, remember first, we'll make it easy in a way that you would understand. T cell receptor. Okay, this is T cell receptor, and this is antibody. Okay, so we'll finish all the immunity in one page only. Okay, so remember the T cell receptor, it is only for what? Receptor to bind antigen, only antigen. Let me make other color. This is antigen to bind antigen. Okay, so another is T cell is divided into two protein. Two protein means two cell. T cell is divided in two cell. What are they? Two cell. Those who have CD4 means cluster differentiation. CD is CD4. This is CD4 and this CD8. The CD cluster differentiation is a cluster differentiation. Cluster differentiation means only this group have the 4 means number of a protein. Number of a protein. 4 is a number of a protein. Okay, remember that. 4 and 8 is a number of a protein. Cluster differentiation 8 and cluster differentiation 4. Okay. This is number of a protein. This is number of a protein. Remember that. This is CD4 and this is CD8. Okay. That's clear. Now, CD8 are called suppressor cell. They inhibit and stop and block the other cell when they work. They are negative. They are negative. When CD8 cell is working, CD4 will not work. Remember that. Because CD8 are ultimately aggressive cell. They are the suppressor cell. What do you call? This is called suppressor cell. Suppressor. Spelling. Okay. Suppressor cell. They call suppressor cell. They are the aggressive cell. They are the CD8 cell. They are the T cells. T8 cell we call CD8 cell. CD8 cell. So now we can make a very good image. This is CD4. This is CD8. CD8 has a cluster differentiation protein and CD4 has a cluster differentiation protein on its surface. So this is CD4 again and this is CD8. Okay. Now we'll